So, if you're an agency owner, freelancer, or a startup entrepreneur, you need to hear this, right? You see, most entrepreneurs or freelancers that I meet, they have a great product or a great service that they can offer to their prospect, but the reality is 95% of them fail because they are not able to convert them into paying clients, and that is the reason they cannot convert it into a highly scalable, profitable business. And if you really think about why does it really happen, well, the answer is really very simple. It is because people don't know how to sell. And when I talk about sales, right, a lot of people think that sales is about techniques and tactics, but let me tell you that is completely wrong. Yeah, I mean, sales is about techniques and tactics. That's just one side of it. But most importantly, sales is about systems and processes. What kind of systems and processes do you put in place? And that is exactly what sales is all about, right? And that is exactly what I've learned. And let me tell you something, right? And you may find this completely unbelievable. What if I told you that there is a way, like a proven system that has worked for hundreds of agency owners, freelancers, and startup entrepreneurs to convert their business into a profitable machine where they're consistently making six figures a month, consistently, okay, month on month. Because if this is who you are, then you need to watch this out. But you may think that, okay, no, why should I even listen to you? Who the fuck are you? Right? So let me give you a very brief introduction about myself, guys. So my name is Suraj. I'm India's first sales system builder for freelancers, startup entrepreneurs like yourselves, right? And I have helped them build a scalable, profitable business which consistently makes six figures a month. Now, I myself was never a businessman before. I used to do a normal 9 to 5 job. I have been in the sales arena for over 17 years. I've worked with a variety of different companies. In fact, I have been the founding sales team member of a company called White Hat Junior. Many of you must have already heard about that. I was one of the first 5 employees that was hired at that company, working very closely with the founder himself. And we were able to take our business from a 5-man team to a 2,000-man team in just a span of 2 years. In fact, we have the record of the fastest exit in the entire Indian startup history, right? And when we took that exit, after that, I started my own coaching business because I got a lot of learnings from there. I actually learned what is marketing all about. I learned what is sales all about, and how do you actually take an idea to the monetization stage and actually make it big. And using those principles, I started my own coaching business. And let me tell you, I am currently making 7 figures a month consistently. And it's just been 6 months that I've started my business. Right. So you may find this a little unbelievable, but this is exactly what I've done. And throughout my journey, I have realized various things, right? The first thing I was able to realize is, why do most businesses fail? That they have a great product, they have a great service, but what is the reason that they fail? And the reason is really very simple. Let me tell you guys that running a business and scaling it is really, really, really very easy, given that you have the right systems and processes in place, right? Now, in order for you to run a business, there are 3 systems that you essentially need. First of all, you need a lead generation system, or you can also call this as an attraction system. This is where you basically attract clients to you who are looking for your services. Simple, right? Once you're able to crack this code that, okay, I'm able to consistently generate leads, then the second system that you need is a selling system, right? Because you may have hundreds of leads, but if you don't know how to sell, you're just wasting money, right? Now, when we talk about the selling system, this is where you actually learn the tactics and techniques of high ticket closing. How does closing work? How do you actually create a compelling sales pitch and an offer? And how do you automate the entire sales process? And the third part is the delivery system, which is your actual product or service that you deliver to your clients. Now, the mistakes that a lot of people make is they figure out the delivery system first, right? They have the product or service in place, but they don't know how to attract leads organically, inorganically, both. They don't have an automated system in place. Number two, they don't know how to sell. And most importantly, because they are just starting off, because you're a solopreneur or a freelancer or a startup entrepreneur, you don't have those that time in your kitty, because you have to do so many things on your own and you feel completely overwhelmed. And this is one of the biggest reasons why people fail, right? What if I tell you that you will be able to scale your business to 6 figures a month consistently, where first of all, you will be able to fill your calendar with 15 to 20 high quality appointments with your dream clients? And again, I'm talking about high quality appointments. That means these are going to be people who are going to be begging for your services and not just inquiring for your services. And number two, you will also be able to have a great conversion ratio. Your sales conversion ratio during your sales meeting will be above 50%, because you will be mastering the art of high ticket closing and high ticket selling. And number three, the most important one, is you will be able to do all of this without hiring a big team, because your entire system and process will be completely automated, right? Find it very hard to believe, right? Now, I completely understand your situation, because this is exactly where I was a few months back, right? I completely understand. And I truly get that, right? I have made a lot of mistakes myself, right? I know the pain, I know the struggle, I know the amount of learning it requires to come out of it. And in fact, even after spending lakhs in learning these skills, I made a lot of mistakes and still lost a lot of money, right? But the benefit is that my clients get nowadays is because I have learned all of those skills, they don't have to make those mistakes, they don't have to burn those money. It's a simple funda, right? The wheel was invented once, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, you simply have to copy paste the same mechanism, and that's exactly how it works over here, right? So if you decide to work with me, you'll be able to first of all fill your calendar. As I told you, you'll be able to increase your closing rate. You'll be able to generate more revenue. You'll be able to predictably scale your business. You can spend more time on things that actually matters to your business, right? Which is the most crucial ones, right? But again, it is not for everyone, right? If you actually want this for your business, if the answer is yes, let me tell you that this is not for everybody, right? The number one thing that you need over here is a very high amount of commitment that is going to be required, a 60-day commitment to learn and copy paste the entire system. We will be doing that together. It's not like you're just going to learn it. No, we are going to do it together and implement the same in your business. Step one is where we will first of all identify gaps in your existing processes. We will work on your micro niche, your positioning. Will create your customer avatar. We'll understand their pain points. A lot of different things we are going to do, and then we will set up a attraction system which is completely automated through AI, which will be a lead generation machine. And then we'll also master the art of high ticket selling and high ticket closing as well, which I've spent lakhs of rupees just to learn that. I've been in sales for 17 years. Still, I had to learn that. And it's one of the best skills to learn, right? And all of this will be completely automated using AI. Yes, you heard that right? So, you have two options over here. If this is the option that you want, number one, you can find the link to book a one-on-one call with me, and we get on a call to actually explore how can we take your business to the next level. Or you also have a second option. Second option is, pretend that you have not watched this video and continue to work the way you are working right now and get the same results. And let's look at it, right? Let's look at what is your current situation. First of all, you have a lot of stress because you don't know where your next client is going to come from. Okay, you have the stress of making inconsistent sales and not able to generate your revenue and eventually shut down your business. Yeah, that's the hard fact. Or otherwise, keep wasting time to learn these skills, watch different videos here and there, only to discover that okay, the cost of learning is too high. And when I say the cost of learning, it's not the money, it's the cost of closing down your business, right? So again, the entire call is up to you, what you really want to do. If Can you really afford to make this happen for your business or no? If the answer is yes, book the one-on-one call. And again, let me remind you what you would learn over here, or rather you would implement for your business is, first of all, we'll fill your calendar with high quality appointments. You will close the deal like a true high ticket closer. And most importantly, you will relax like many of my clients are doing right now, because the entire system is going to be automated using AI. So I will definitely look forward to see you on the other side. Book the one-on-one call. The link should be somewhere below, and I will see you on the other side. Take care.